guys, so this is the ingredients for my salad. So this is all I use for making salad at home. So I've got my beans here, my tomatoes, my egg, my onions, carrot, and my lettuce. Okay, and I'm going to use this. That's going to be the dressing. Okay, all right, let's go. Guys, so our salad is ready. So this is how I make my lettuce salad. Yep, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV, and I'll see you next time. Bye.